Good morning and welcome to Hikes and Flights. I'm Gareth. Today we're in Nafplio and we're off to see a site that I've wanted to see at least 30 years. We're off to Mycenae. Come on! Mycenae is an ancient city fortress from the Greek Bronze Age and is almost 3,500 years old. Although an important archaeological site in its own right, it will forever be linked with the story of Troy, as it was here that King Agamemnon lived, arguably the driving force behind the war on behalf of his cuckolded brother Menelaus. This is the famous Lion Gate and the Cyclopean rocks. The Lion's Gate is believed to have been adorned with two metal heads, which were sadly plundered. The huge, irregular, mortarless Cyclopean rocks are so named after the belief that the mythological creature, the Cyclops, was the only living thing large enough to move them. We got here at about 8:30, 8:45, and there's hardly anybody here, so top tip, get here really early. This really was a dream come true. The real question is, was this the palace of King Agamemnon of the Illiad fame? Whoever built this certainly knew how to choose a good view. Flying a drone directly over Mycene is forbidden, but I did manage to get these shots from outside the compound. You can clearly see the citadel and then the palace at the very top. On the left, Grave Circle A, and beyond the covered section, the residences. This is an underground cistern to keep the people of Mycenae in water. It's 9:30 now, and it's starting to heat up a little bit. There is a nice breeze here up in the fortress, so no doubt that's another reason why they built it here. This tomb should have a roof, but we'll see some intact ones later. It's 10 o'clock now, and the site is really starting to fill up. By the time we get to about 11, that's probably when all the coach tours will arrive. There's quite a few nationalities here. What's really interesting, of course, is we're here as British tourists, but there's lots of Greek people here, of course, because coming here is just like going to visit Warwick Castle or Windsor Castle. So we're going to look around the various tombs now. Here we are at Queen Klytemnestras Tomb, who of course waited for her husband Agamemnon to get back from the war and then slew him in his bath in revenge for sacrificing their daughter to stop the winds so they could all sail to Troy. Here I am standing on the top of Klytemnestras Tomb. It's right beneath my feet. It's now almost 11 and the car park is completely full. There was about 3 cars when we arrived here this morning, so another top tip. Right, we're off now to go and see the Treasury. It's a little bit down the road. Hopefully there'll be somewhere to park. Here we are at the Treasury of Atreus, which some people think is Agamemnon's tomb.